And this song goes out to every believer in the room. Scripture says that as believers, we'll face persecution. If you look at the book of Acts in chapter 4, it's clear. When John was released from jail, the believers didn't pray, God, let that never happen again. They prayed, not only should it happen again, but give us boldness to go forth by your Spirit. There's a believer in the room that be faithful. To you, I say bravo. So, at the end of the day, there's only so much one person can take. But when we're in the Spirit of the Lord, when God is directing and ordering our steps, we can go as far as He takes us. Bravo. Classes I applaud every single going hard, catching heat, refusing to live the street for the Lord, yeah. And it's the light, that ain't nothing better, even in the trial and the error, it's the best thing ever. When you trade it for the world, that's how you lose your soul. I'm letting go of everything, trying to take hold of abundant living, whether in the streets or prison. Happiness forever in the day is a given, and you need it for when times get hard. Oh Lord, people coming sideways like my heart, sitting on the throne as if it was a throne, making judgments from a fall, double-minded too young. But in that moment, baby, that's where He is wrong. Your power's not His power, so you can keep moving on. So this is for the saints who feel defeated by the hater. They come because of Him, so they help you forever. In the pain and the sorrow, clap, clap, bravo, clap, clap, bravo. This is for the haters who hate us cause who we follow. Clap, clap, bravo, clap, clap, bravo. This is for the people in the pain and the sorrow. Clap, clap, bravo, clap, clap, bravo. This is for the haters who hate us cause who we follow. For the people in the pain and the sorrow, clap, 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 clap. This is for the hater who hate us cause who we follow, clap, 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 clap. This is for the people in the pain and the sorrow, clap, 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 clap. This is for the haters who hate us cause who we follow.